Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite influencer, Kierstinsimonemgmt, and today I'll be showing you how to install your clip-ins like a pro. I'm taking the SHEIN clip-ins, the 130 density. I have 2 packs. The clip-ins come with a set of clip-ins that have 4 clips, 3 clips, 2 clips, and then 1 individual clip. So I am just parting the back of my hair. I'm leaving a good little bit of amount out because if you want to hold your hair up, if you want to do like a claw clip, ponytail, your hair that's out in the back will be able to hide that. I'm going to start off with the hair piece that has 3 clips on it, and I'm just going to again part my hair and then hook the clips on to my hair as you see me doing here. And I'm going to take the next set of 3 clips and I'm just going to clip that on. I definitely wanted to get 2 packs because I wanted to make sure my hair was full. So if you're going to get these clip-ins from SHEIN, please make sure you get 2 to 3 packs depending on the fullness that you want for your hair. So I'm just going to part another section off. It's not neat or anything like that. It's literally just clip-ins, something super easy, super fast for beginners or whoever wants to use clip-ins, don't feel like in the sew-in or feel like in the frontal. So you just see me stacking on those clip-ins at the back of my hair. This is also a 3 clip-in. I hope I'm saying that right. All right, so I am just brushing the back of my hair down to basically blend with the rest of the hair before straightening. And so now I'm just going to part my actual part to make sure it's a little bit more neater once we get towards the top of the head. So I'm just going to section out my bang portion or my side part portion. And I'm just going into a C shape. So if you want to do a side part, C shape is what you are looking for. And I'm just going to take an actual another piece. This is a 3 clip in. I'm just putting on the side because I did have an extra one. So I just put that on that side because that is where my side part is. So I want to make sure that the side part portion is very full. So I'm just going to part my hair once again, and I'm just going to take another piece of clip in and I am just going to be stacking that on that side of my head. So there is another 3 clip in that's going in on that side where I want my side part specifically. So now I am going to start on this side and I am going to part my hair all the way around. So now we're at the middle portion of my head, and after I get done parting, I'm going to take another clip in and insert that clip in that part. And this is where I will start using the 4-piece clip in for the perimeter of my head or the middle of my head, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to start working specifically with the part of my head that is not where my side part is, because we want to make sure that part is full as well. So I'm going to take an actual 2-piece clip in and insert those clip ins on that side of my hair. So I already stacked 2 of those clip ins and I'm just going back and forth and waiting till I get to the top of my head, just making sure that both sides are equally full when I'm done. So now I'm going to take another 2-piece clip in and I'm actually going to start where my bang portion is or where my side part portion is, because we want to make sure that it's full and even on both sides. So I added 2 clips on one side, added 2 clips on the other side, and now I'm going to start separating my bang portion and adding hair to that part. So I'm going to take another clip in that has 2 clips on it, and I'm just going to start stacking that within my bang portion, so the top of my head and my bang portion is still full. And I'm just going to keep parting and keep placing those clips up through my bang portion. So there's another 2-piece clip, and we're just literally sticking it on and clipping it on. This style is literally so fast and so easy. Anybody could do a set of clip-ins. And actually, I really do love SHEIN's clip-ins. Like, the hair is really soft, it's flowy, it's bouncy, it's silky. I just really like the feel of these clip-ins. They're really good clip-ins for beginners, so you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money on clip-ins or anything like that. Super quick hairstyle. You can literally take it out the night you put them in and put them right back in if you don't want to sleep with them. So what I'm doing now is just taking a 1-piece clip in that only has 1 clip on it, and I'm just adding it to the fullness at the very top of my bang portion to make sure that all the hair is laying down correctly. And I'm just going to comb that down to make sure that everything is blended. And so now what I'm doing is I'm literally just going to the opposite side of my head, and I'm just going to put that 1-piece clip in, and to make sure that it's full on that side as well. And then I am just going to be going around the top of my head to make sure that everything is full and everything is covered. And now I'm just going to take my wax stick, and I'm just going to just put that on the top of my hair just to make sure everything is laid down, and to also make sure that my part is as straight as it can be for my side part. And remember, we're going in a C shape. So you do a C shape, that is going to give you the perfect deep side part that you are looking for. And it's also going to make sure those tracks are being covered and those clips are being covered with this hairstyle. And now what I'm doing is I'm just taking out my edges or my baby hair or whatever you want to call it. And I am just taking that out. And again, for the baby hairs, I like to go in a C shape as well, to make sure that the baby hairs aren't looking wonky and crazy. And I'm just going to take my mini flat iron, and I'm just going to slightly blend everything in real quick, just doing a real quick pass, nothing major. And I'm just going to flat iron those baby hairs as well to make sure that they curl really nicely and they just lay in the direction that I want them to go. And I'm just putting on my edge wax. That's what I use to lay my edges. And I am relaxed, so this edge control keeps my edges all day. And so I'm just taking my comb, and I am just laying out those baby hairs in the way that I like them. And we're just going to keep molding and keep molding until we like the shape of our baby hairs. Make sure you place your finger on them when you're using the gel so that you can help shape them easier and a little bit faster. And so now we've gotten to the styling portion of this video. So I am going to actually be doing some cute flat iron curls for these clip-ins. So I am literally just going to take section by section and flat iron curl my hair. I did use the Bumble and Bumble heat protecting spray for my actual real hair in the bundles as well. And I'm just letting that curl fall into my hand. You're going to squeeze it to set it and hold it. And then you're just going to roll it up, and then place a pin. I use silver pins, like when you're retwisting hair, silver clips. And I'm just going to clip that into place and let it set. right, this is how we're looking while we have everything setting and curling, and I'm going to do my makeup and I will be right back to unravel everything. And makeup is done, and now I'm just going to be taking a loose the pins and letting the curls unravel. I love this method for setting my curls because this is 20 inches of hair and it's at my collarbone. So I love the way that the curls set. And also I would like to add that these clip-ins can hold a curl, baby. Okay, these clip-ins can hold a curl. All right, you hear me? I love these clip-ins. It's great quality hair, great clip-ins, easy, fast. I mean, there's really nothing else that I can ask for a quick hairstyle. All right, y'all, I have unraveled all of the curls and I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I am just separating the curls. Look how flowy and bouncy these curls are. SHEIN girl, you did your big one. You did your big one. I really do love this hair. This hair is so nice, y'all. Go to SHEIN right now and get you 2 to 3 packs of these clip-ins. It's finna be leave out season anyway, silk press season anyway. You might as well get you some clip-ins for a quick and easy hairstyle this fall and winter. Okay? Period. Alright guys, if you made it to this portion of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really truly appreciate all of the baddies that are in the cartel, honey. We are growing and glowing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you can receive notifications when I post a video. Period. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all of my social media handles at Kierstinsimonemgmt. I definitely will have more content coming out soon. Thank you guys so much. I love each and every one of y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.